Hi, how you doing today? My name's Seth. Today we're doing an attempt to repair on Brian Baxter's house. This is the front slope. So we're going to be at 8668 New Bedford Harbor, Pasadena, Maryland 21122. Weather outside is 75 degrees. It's currently 4:45 p.m. and today is the 22nd.
Yes.
So September 22nd. Claim number associated is going to be 700-856-9114-1. Alright, so down here we're going to have our wind damage shingle that we're going to be taking off. This is our test square all around. And the discontinued shingle from the factory just came in, so we're going to go ahead and replace that in there. Alright, we're going to have our hammer. This is the tool I'm going to be using to remove all of the nails. Let's get started. So first we're going to want to figure out what course these shingles are running in. So let's go ahead and break it off the top. Alright, so it looks like we're going in a set of 3 this way. Let's go ahead and break these. Alright. Alright, let's get started. I'll put the hammer over here so we don't lose that. There's one nail right here. One. Moving over. We have one nail right here. Two. One nail right here. It's gonna be 3. Shouldn't have any nails right there. There's one nail right here. As you can see, I'm being very cautious of how high I lift the shingle. Wouldn't want to lift it past the recommended amount. Got 2 nails up here. Yep, that was just barely in there. It's going to be 6 nails. Moving up. We have one nail right here. It's going to be 7 nails. Moving across. Let's try and give it a tug. Alright. Gonna have to go one more row up. We have one nail right here in the middle. One nail right here. Let's give it a tug. Still going up. One nail right here in the corner. A lot of nails. It's going to be 9. Tug. here. One nail right here. It's overshot just a little bit, so we have to try and dig it out. Just slide the shingle on out. As you can see, successfully got the damaged shingle. Go ahead and put in our fresh new shingle. Now, there were 9 nails in this shingle. I doubt we're gonna need that many. So I'm only gonna put in about 5 or 6. I'm gonna try and use the same holes that were already there. Slide that in. There we go. Grab our hammer. Come get a side angle if you don't mind. Alright. We have nail number 1. What's going on with that one? I'm gonna go ahead and forget about that spot. I'll re-nail that after the video, just for time's sake. Start up here from the middle since we already have some holes we can use.
8 minutes.
Huh?
8 minutes.
That's fine. The videos are normally,
Just in case it cuts.
shouldn't. As you can see, now that we're using previous holes, it's gonna go right in. Trying to be very mindful of how much we bend the shingle here. It's 2. Come over here and use a previous hole. Right, got a nail there, got a nail there. Let's move down a row. We're not seeing any previous holes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put one right here. Got one in. Go ahead and put one right here. Going just slowly. There we go. Gonna move up to the top row. Gonna use previous holes. Go right in. That one right here. Previous hole.
All that green loss.
Go right in. Now I did pull a nail out from over here earlier, so I am going to put one right here. Alright, now I'm just going to Give it a quick tug, make sure it doesn't need any more nails. Should be all set. Alright, there we go. Go ahead and check any damages that may have occurred. So you can see we have our new shingle. Give the ones a slight brush, just a finger across the top. Should be our 3 rows up. Alright. So as you can see, we have a little bit of granule loss right here across the top. Have a little bit of granule loss on this shingle right over here. Have some granule loss right here across the top. Have just a little bit of granule loss right here. Alright, and that's going to sum up our attempt to repair. As you can see, our repair did cause damage to the surrounding shingles, even though I was very mindful of how much I was lifting the shingles past the recommended amount. This is our overview. Alright.